front all over. Shit. You're going too fucking fast. Oh my gosh.
Why don't you just drive it?
Hit that red button, Rebecca.
Hit the red button.
No.
Right over there.
That's orange.
I'm sorry.